What's up, guys? Crypto Command coming at you with another video. Let's go ahead and take a look at Kaspa and Bitcoin, guys. I have found something very interesting. All right, I found a couple of new patterns on the chart. Nothing too major, but these patterns could give you guys a little encouragement um, while the markets are at a discount. Because a lot of people tend to get doom and gloom when the markets are down. All right, so I figure that these new patterns might help you recognize the bullishness in the safe zone that we are actually in. All right, so taking a look at the Bitcoin versus the USD charts. All right, you guys can see if you take a look at these white lines here, just the white lines, guys. For a moment, look at the white lines. All right, that is the triangle pattern that we have been talking about for the past couple of days, weeks, right? Remember, guys, we are position traders. All right, so we have a matter. The major thing that we have to take into account when we are trading, the main key that makes us successful is our patience. All right, so like I said, we've been looking at this triangle pattern here with the white lines for the past couple of weeks, and the breakout potential goes up as far as $146,000, right? All right, so if you take a closer look, guys, at these blue lines here that I have highlighted, I found another triangle pattern, right, on the macro scale. All right, I did the measurements for this pattern. You take a look, you see from the bottom of the trend line right here to the top of it, right? Go down a little bit, right here to the top of the trend line. Oh, it's a little crooked. Yeah, from the bottom to the top. You can either do it this way, guys, or you can go this way. All right, we'll do it that way just to be safe, I suppose. But if you take a look at the breakout from here, right, we have a price target of $155,000 just on this new triangle pattern. All right, pretty cool, right? Now we're gonna zoom in, guys, and I want you to take a look at this wedge pattern that I have spotted as well. All right, the wedge pattern I highlighted with the orange lines. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin is still trading within this pattern. All right, along the breakouts of this white triangle and the blue triangle as well. Okay, so guys, we're still in a safe zone. All right, Bitcoin has just broken out and it's likely to retest. If it retests, it could come down to the bottom of this wedge pattern with the orange lines, as well as if we're looking at just these triangle patterns, it can come down to retest the top of these triangle patterns, the blue triangle as well as the white triangle. All right, guys, so we could come down as far as, let's take a look. If it comes down, we could come down to retest as far as $98,000, guys. All right, and we will still be in the safe zone. We will still be bullish, even with those retests. All right, guys. So we're still looking at a price target, guys, of $140 to $150,000. All right. Um, Mind you, if you take a look at the MACD, we're still going up from this bullish cross down here. Slightly looks like we're going to turn and come down a little bit, um, which we know because we're going through a retest, guys. But once that retest happens, MACD is likely to give us another bullish cross, and we're going to go up. All right. Now let's take a look at the Kaspa charts. All right. Kaspa, I found a second pattern on Kaspa as well. All right. So we all know that we've got this white triangle pattern right there, right? And after we did the measurements, we saw that we had the breakout target up at 24 cents, and we had the breakout target down at 4 cents. We realized that right now we are in a fake out because Caspa has broken out of the pattern and it broke out to the downside, right? Mind you guys, look at the white lines for now. That's what we're analyzing for the moment. But yeah, so Caspa broke out of that white triangle pattern right there, and it's hit this level here at the 12 cents level and it's bounced. All right, so we got, guys, we're still trading between these levels here, the 12-cent level, right? And we are still trading in between the 15 cent, the 12 cent and the 15 cent level. All right, so we're still in a safe zone. All right, and we've got our order set, our long set for the 15, around the 15 cent, 15.5 cent, and we've got our short set around the 12.2 cents, right? And Casper right now is trading around the 12.8 cents, so we're looking a little relatively bullish still. All right, we're still in this safe zone. We're trading sideways as predicted due to the Bitcoin dominance. All right, now guys, the new pattern that I spotted on Caspa, if you take a look here on these orange lines, um I zoomed in a little bit, um and I was able to see this smaller triangle pattern, and I did the measurements. All right, so we are still looking at a price target of 15 cents, right? As well as um, on the downside, we're looking at a price target of 8 cents, guys. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. All right. So, guys, mind you, there's still billions flowing into the markets, guys. So don't be fearful. All right. Not to mention, we are at somewhere at the bottom of these Bollinger Bands. All right. So we still are up here testing this heavy resistance at 13 cents, 14 cents. All right, guys. So right now, guys, we're going sideways. Keep buying in, guys. We're bullish. We're still bullish. All right. Let's take a look at this MACD real quick for Caspa. All right. If we look at the MACD on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we've somewhat turned upwards, but it's looking like it's going downwards, guys. So Caspa is likely either going to go down, all right, because that's a bearish signal, or it's going to go sideways, right? Mainly because Caspa is uncorrelated to the other altcoins due to it being the first of its kind, a block DAG. All right. So billions are flowing into the markets. Caspa has good fundamental value because of its fair launch, right? Because of the type of block DAG, the type of transaction system as it is. It's not a blockchain, it's a block DAG. Guys, there's a lot of bullish indicators for the long term. All right. Do not be faked out. All right. Do not be shaken out of the markets. Get into these coins and get into don't get into the coins I'm telling you to get into the coins that you have researched for yourself. Get into the coins that you know have good fundamental value and will go up. All right. Go to the daily time frame. Caspa is still looking relatively bearish in the immediate short term, right? But we're still trading within this safe zone, guys. We're still trading within this breakout pattern. All right, we haven't hit any of our orders, and as position traders, we're patient. All right. Well, we know the potential of trading. All right. We have to fund our trading, right? And we minimize the risk of losing our money. The goal is to beat inflation. The goal is to maximize our wealth and secure it and to give it longevity, right? So what we want to do is we want to buy in at the support levels, guys. Dollar cost averaging. You buy in a specific amount of money into a asset, all right? Or you invest a specific amount of money into an asset on a consistent time frame and at certain levels, usually when the prices are dropping like they're doing right now. Now, it seems like we're dropping heavily, guys, but it's really just a small retest of this 12 cent level, 0.12 cent level. All right, guys, we could go down to the 10 cent level. We talked about this in our last videos. You want to be buying at these levels, guys. And if you have your orders set, then you can make some profit on some shorts, guys, if we do go down further. And if it goes up, you need to have your orders set at the 15 cent level because we're not going to go down forever. That's just not how the markets work, especially not with billions of dollars of inflows coming into the market. All these bullish economic factors with Trump bringing all of this awareness to the crypto with the Bitcoin and crypto strategic reserve that the idea for that happening, right? Guys, there's so much happening. You do not want to miss out right now. All right. So make sure you're buying in, guys. So price prediction for Caspa is still the same, guys. 24 cents in the immediate short term. If you want to be super conservative, 18 cents in the immediate short term. But in the long term, guys, we're looking at $1 to $3 price target, maybe even 5. Why? because Kaspa Binance listing that is going to inevitably happen due to Binance already having mining services, right? Um, Binance already has plenty of services happening, and Kaspa is the only top 100 coin that isn't listed yet on fully listed yet on their exchange, guys. So when that listing happens, you can expect it to shoot up. This 24 cent level is going to be dust. You're not going to be able to buy under these levels again. You're not going to be able to buy at the 15 cent level. You're not going to be able to buy at the 12 cent level. So you want to get in now. We are in the gold rush again, but this time it's digital. All right. So you want to be having digital gold like Bitcoin. You want to have digital silver like Caspa. You want to be in decentralized finance. What is decentralized finance? That's Ethereum. It basically represents the technological innovation of our financial structure, our centralized financial structure, and is going decentralized. So everything that you can do in the financial system, loans and things of that nature, you'll be able to do it, and you can do it on Ethereum, DeFi, decentralized finance. So digital gold, Bitcoin, digital silver, Caspa, decentralized finance, Ethereum. All right. With that being said, guys, tune in to the next video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.